Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Paint.net on your Windows 11 operating system. So Paint.net is a free image and photo editing software for your Windows 11 operating system. So let's see how we can download it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Paint.net download. And the first link which will appear here will be from getpaint.net/download. So I'm going to click on this link. I'm going to put this link in the description of this video also, so you can directly come to this website. So once you are on this paint.net website, you will be able to see this kind of web page. You need to scroll down here. Now, if you land to the home page here on paint.net, then you can see on the right hand side top this link, and you need to click on this link, right? Otherwise, you can also click on the download button or section here. So just click on any of the link here. And once you click on this link, you will be able to see these two options. First one is by using the Microsoft Store, and second one is by using the .pdn. So you can see using Microsoft Store, it's a paid version. We want to download the free version, so we are going to use this option which says free. So here you just need to click on this download now button. So I'm going to click on the download now button, which is going to redirect us to this web page. And once again from here we need to click on paint.net 4.3.7 link here. So once you click on this link, it's going to download this zip file. So once this zip file is downloaded, just go to the location where it's downloaded and then extract it. Just right click it and then click on extract all, which is going to extract this file. I'm going to extract this file in the downloads folder itself. And once this folder is extracted, you will be able to see this paint.net exe file. So just click on this exe file and then you will be able to see this warning. So do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? I trust this app, so I'm going to click on yes here, and then let me minimize all these windows. So you can see paint.net downloader here, and just need to click on continue, which is going to start the downloading process of paint.net. So just wait for some time. So once all the files are downloaded, you will be able to see this next window where it says paint.net. So from here you can select your language in which you want to install paint.net. And once you have selected the language, I'm going to select the Express version here and then click on next. And then if you agree with these license terms and conditions, just click on this I agree radio button and then click on next, which is going to start the installation of paint.net on your Windows 11 operating system. So just wait for this process to be completed. And once it's completed, you will be able to see this paint.net shortcut on your Windows 11 operating system. And I can leave this checkbox as checked, which is going to launch paint.net on my Windows 11 operating system. So from now onwards, I can start using paint.net on my Windows 11 operating system. So this is how you can download and install paint.net on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.